Did you know that Careers Online has a Career Pulse tool which gives you a personalised career plan? By clicking the career planning option at the top of the page, you can check your career pulse or take Career Pulse for the first time. Upon clicking Career Pulse, it will open and take you through some questions. These are on a sliding scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being most confident and 1 being least. If you click the arrow button, it will take you to the next question. If you are unsure of any questions, if you click the hint icon, it will give you additional information. Career Pulse asks many questions, and these come under specific headers, as you can see at the top. Once you've completed all of the questions, you will get your Pulse report, which will give you areas to focus on and a percentage score out of 100. You can scroll through your profile and see the different points you have scored on the assessments. These are all key employability indicators that will support your future career success. So look at these carefully. For the areas you want to develop, you can click the arrow icon, and they then have useful resources such as helper videos, articles and websites you can look at to improve your score. When you open the resource, the system handles it automatically, so when you've read a resource, it will know. You can then retake your pulse at any time to see how you've improved.